Hello guys, my name is Marcel, I'm from the Austrian Dream, and today I'm showing you how to use the Logitech steering wheels really good in Unity. The thing is that there's no really good explanation for how to use the steering wheel parameters and the shifter and yeah. Okay, I'm showing you a little tutorial, and yeah, when we have imported the Logitech gaming SDK, it's free on the asset store, we can import it, and in script samples we have the Logitech steering wheel. Let's put it on the main camera. Let's see what we can do there. Now we see the Logitech G29 has detected. When I put it out, please plug in steering wheel or a force feedback controller. Now it doesn't help, we can do anything, it doesn't help. Let's plug in. Now it's calibrating. So now we have calibrated it to 0. When we go on the left side, you see the x-axis position goes to minus 30,768. And on the other side we have the positive. Yeah, now let it go to the main. So now we see we have here some positions: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, extra axis position. Under our shifter mode is the H shifter with the 7 position with the reverse, but yeah, you see when I put the first gear we have button 12 pressed, in the third gear 14, yeah, and for the reverse we have 18. Now okay, also we have the pedals, right side for putting up, button 4, for down, button 5. The clutch I mean. Yeah, you see that is our extra position axis, goes from positive to negative. Our brake pedal goes from positive to negative, like our gas pedal. Yeah, it works. It's not the best, but it works. Okay, now there's effects like front collision but we don't need it right now. So now we can remove this Logitech steering wheel. So now the question is, how do I use this axis? How do I get this axis and okay, now let's create a folder, name it like you do want, or create a script, name it Logitech steering. Oh my god. Call it Logitech example, just for purpose. Yeah, so now the question is, how do I use it? Now we saw it, there is a way to work with it, but how? I'm showing you really quick how to do this, and just really simple script. So first what we need is let's delete this shit, I don't need it right now. So first we need the Logitech GSDK dot Controller Properties Data, ja. Und hier gehen wir an Properties. That's just for my. I also created a game with the Logitech, but I needed it, and every time I'm doing something with the Logitech, I'm just type it there, because you can do much with it. Okay, now what we next need is our public x-axis, our the next one is our gas input, brake input, and our clutch input. Oh, I forgot, this is a public float. Good, now you see we created it. So also we want to know what gear we have in public current gear. No, it's an integer. Okay. Now start with void start. I hate this private, but it's okay, we can let it in. Now we cannot do this after this. Now we need a void update. Private void update, it's okay. Now the thing is that we can use, or better say, we should give us an error when the Logitech isn't enlarged or the steering wheel isn't found. Then it shouldn't work, it should give us an error. So now we create an if function. If Logitech SDK dot logi update and Logitech GSDK, I think. Yeah, I think. Dot Logitech. Logi is connected. There it is. Integer from 0. Yeah, nice. That's good. That's good. So now and else for the problem when it isn't. Debug. Oh no, just let us print it. Just print no steering wheel connected. So when the Logitech isn't right now in updating and it isn't connected, then it should give us the problem no steering wheel connected. So next thing is we need a record. It should record us what we're doing. It should record our x-axis for the steering wheel and. Now we're going on the Logitech GSDK dot the joystick engines. Yeah, rec. I think that's the one. Yeah, rec / Logitech GSDK dot logi. That isn't right. It is logi get state unity. Yeah, it's also 0, and here we click finished. So now we can get with the rec variable all what happens with the steering wheel, like shifting, clutch, gas. Now we can get it all. So the thing is that we want our x-axis is gleich rec.1x. Ich glaube 1x. Ja, durch. No, just let it there. I put a fail into it. There's something fucking wrong. Logitech Gaming SDK. Print dot Logi steering interlace false. Put something fucking wrong in it, but I don't know what. This is a float, yeah. XX is a float, but there's a problem. It doesn't like that. Why does it? Why don't you just want to work? There's a really hard error here. X-axis is rec dot yeah, that's the problem. It's not a 1, it's a L. Yeah. Now let's see that maximum assembly, you don't need it, just put your script in, and now let's look if it can update. Now we see it updates really well. Yeah, it works really good. So the next problem is that value, it's just too high, and we need just 0 and 1, or the 1, 0, 1. So now what are we doing? Now let's see how much we can get a value here that we copying us. Close. And now divide. Now. And now I think when we go on the left side. Oh, 1, nice. And on the other side. Yeah, it's okay. Not the best. But why? Why shouldn't it work? Good. Now we have 1, 0, 1. Here's a minus, because on the left side we have the minus. Good. That works well, I think. What do you think? I think so. Okay. The next one what we want is our gas input. Gas input is like rec.l. Gas, I think it's the Y. Yeah, I think it was the Y. Now let's see. Yeah, it works. But yeah, that's not good, I think. Let's look. nice. Now the problem is we need 0 and 1. When we go really into it, we just need 1. So now what we can do? There's more ways. I'm just showing you the really simple way, but it's not the best way. Yeah, I know. Let's make an if statement. If rec.ly is bigger than 0, we have a guess input from 0, because all over the 0 in the positive shouldn't work. So first, when I'm going with the gas pedal in and it's go under into the minus, then it should record. Now we need a else. If rec.1g is less than 0. Now there comes our little help. We used there our super simple script. Now we take this, put it after it, and we need to put a minus before it. Now let's see if it works. I don't know. I made an error. Oh yeah, that's idle. Why? Yeah, now let's see. Now we have 0 going in. I think it works. Looks good. Looks good on me. But it's really late. That isn't the good thing. Now what we can do, we put here a 0.5. See if it's better. Much faster, but let's put a 2. Now let's see, it should really be a better. Oh, I'm so fucking sorry. That won't really work well. But I don't know why it shouldn't work. Yeah, just be on 0. 0 is best thing. So now, oh yeah, bigger than 2 and smaller than 2. Now that was the problem. So now let's look. Yeah, I'm staying with 0, 0 because that's the best setting, because it's more realistic, because you have in every car, when you go on the gas pedal or when you give slowly, you're going slowly into the pedal, it takes it time. So now we have the gas pedal and our steering wheel. Now what we need is our brake. The brake, it's one of the most important thing in your game. So now this was the RC, I think, yeah, is bigger than 0. Same thing here. Else if rec.1rc LRC is smaller than 0. Now we take the brake input. Here we put it as /0, and here we are using our best friend, taking this, can use it and just replace this. Now we should also can use the brake. Yeah, works fine, I think. Harder going, yeah, nice. Works fine, works fine, works fine. Our steering works fine. It works already fine. Now for the clutch. Let's copy this because we don't have that much time. The clutch. What the clutch has was the regular slider, I think. I think it was this. Yeah. Just can't be this. That is not a clutch input. And let's see if our clutch also works now. Yeah, works fine. Now we need our gears. Doesn't work right now, I think. Now our gas works. Our brake works. Our clutch works, and our rotation from our steering works also fine. So we have good things into it, but we want to shift. Let's put also a pool into it, a public pool, and let's call it H shift. It's now, let's be on true. Now we create a new function with hey shifter. That's because you can do it better, but I just like it to do so. And we should give the rec. Yeah, I think we should give the rec to it also. Let's put it in here. Shifter. I think that should work. Yeah, it should work. I don't know why it shouldn't. Okay, now we need a for int I is 0. I is less than 128. 128 is the best value. I don't know why, but it just works. Just be okay, it works. Now the buttons we need. If rec.rgb buttons. Oh my god. Rec isn't. We have a shifter, I think. Fuck. Buttons. Is I. Is 128. Close it. Now our thing is, you shouldn't shift when you're not on the clutch. So now let's create a if function. If clutch input is more than 0.5 float. So if you're on the clutch at let's see if I can get it here, 0.5 or more, you can shift then. You don't need to be on the full clutch, you need just 0.5 to reach, then you can shift. Yeah, now we want to shift in gear. The case is I'm doing it really hard-coded right now, cause you can do it better when you understand it. This is 12. 12 is the first gear. 12. Remember that. Let's close it up. Else if second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, yeah. 30, 50, 70, 80. Now, current gear is 1. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. There we put a minus. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also edit it so you have cars with just a 5 gear transmission or a 4 gear transmission, I don't know. Just do it like you want. I'm just helping you to implement that shit. So put it in, I think, everything. Yeah, okay. Now we should, yeah, first gear, second gear, third gear. Now get down from the clutch. Doesn't work, you see. But if we now go on the clutch and going to 4, 5, 6. Now the reverse, -1. Nice. Nice and easy. So the problem is now we don't want that when you have a gear in it and you go away from the button, it shouldn't be in the same gear. It should go into neutral. Now let's see if we can do this. Let's create a boolean. A private bool is in gear. When we is in gear, let's put it there. It's like true. True, 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 true. Let's put there else. I think that will work. False. And when we in false, it should the current gear set to 0. I think that will work. I don't know if it works, but it should work. The first doesn't work. Yeah, that you can can make it by yourself. I'm just helped you. You see, I'm going on the clutch like 3 doesn't work. All over 5 works. Yeah. I hope I could help you guys with this, and yeah, that was a half hour, yeah, 30 minutes, nice and easy. That's just hard-coded, but you will get it, cause it's really easy to understand what I wrote here. If not, you can also write me a private message, and I will say thank you and have a good day.